Hello dear friends of Fontana ovens and Italian food fans. Welcome to Fontana. I would like to introduce you to an amazing product, the Mangiafuoco wood oven. Mangiafuoco is a direct cooking oven, which means that the wood fire is placed inside the cooking chamber itself. Mangiafuoco is available in 3 different sizes. With a 60 by 60 centimeters cooking chamber, this is perfect for cooking up to 2 pizzas. The version of the oven is called Margherita. The Mangiafuoco version has a 60 by 80 centimeters cooking chamber. In it, we can cook up to 4 pizzas and up to 6 kilos of bread. And then we have in the marinara version, which is the Mangiafuoco's big brother and measures 80 by 80 centimeters. Inside is a layer of plates made in refractory material, certified for food use. There is a stainless steel vault, and on the side where you light the fire, there is a second skin or refractory material, refractory corten steel, weathering steel. Corten steel is a very high strength steel, which further protects the oven dome. For this reason, the oven is guaranteed for up to 6 years. Mangiafuoco is an oven that heats up very quickly, developing an internal temperature of 350 degrees Celsius in about 10-15 minutes, perfect for cooking pizza. Its insulation layer is made of 14 centimeters of ceramic fiber, but above all, the interior of the flue pipe has a special smoke circuit that forces the heat produced by the wood embers to remain inside the cooking chamber as far as possible. This allows for even heat distribution and a longer-lasting, higher temperature, but above all reduces wood consumption compared to a traditional oven. A very important accessory for the Mangiafuoco oven is the smoke control valves. The smoke control valve is very important because once the fire starts, it enables you to reduce the fumes output and therefore to keep the heat inside the ovens and consequently to consume a lot less wood. Mangiafuoco is available in 3 different versions for 3 different types of fuels: wood, gas and even methane gas.